Today, I'm going to show you how to make a rich, deep, restaurant-quality beef stock from scratch. This is the foundation of amazing soups, sauces, and stews. And once you've made it at home, you'll never want to use store-bought again. Start with about 2 kilograms of beef bones and any beef trimmings you have. Place them in a roasting tray and spread a thin layer of tomato paste over the top. The tomato paste helps with color and adds extra depth to the final stock. Put the tray into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and roast for 40 minutes to an hour. What we're looking for is a deep, caramelized color on the bones and meat. This is where all that amazing flavor comes from. While the bones are roasting, we prepare our vegetables. Roughly chop onions, leeks, carrots, and celery. Don't worry about perfect knife skills here. This is rustic cooking. If you like, you can also add shallots for extra sweetness and complexity. When the bones are ready, carefully move them into a large pot. Add all the chopped vegetables on top. Then add a few sprigs of thyme and some whole peppercorns. Now pour in enough cold water to cover everything. Turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat so it gently simmers. Let it cook slowly for about 5 hours. The longer it cooks, the more flavor you get. After 5 hours, turn off the heat and let it cool for about 1 hour. Then pour the liquid through a sieve to remove the bones and vegetables. Put the stock in the fridge overnight. The next day, you'll have a rich, homemade beef stock ready to use. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Subscribe for more simple, honest cooking.